Coming to the first service use case, and in fact, we are going to be combining this first and second use case while we are seeing the demo. This use case is basically, since there are a lot of departments, different departments that are sharing these files and probably either sending them as emails or uploading them on some sort of a centralized cloud repository. So the service executive needs access to this repository right on the deal or the contact record in HubSpot or the company record in HubSpot. And then secondly, because there are these different files that are coming from different sources, they need a consolidation functionality. They need some sort of a file portal where they can share all of this file with a single customer using a single link, and they can control how the look and feel and the content of that link. We'll see in HubSpot how using the Cloud Files integration, not only can you keep in sync with your organization storage right on your HubSpot records, but you can also use that content to create file portals for the customer and keep them updated using a single link itself. So let's check it out. So as a service executive, I am in my HubSpot, and let me go into one of my contacts. The first thing that I need is access to the cloud drives that all the other departments are using, or my local drive where I'm downloading all of the attachments which are being sent to me on email. So once Cloud Files is installed, I can just click on this add button. And we have all of the options for connecting to Google Drive or OneDrive or SharePoint, and we are going to be adding other libraries like Box or Dropbox here. Plus, we'll be adding functionality where you can connect multiple accounts. So you can really get access to files from anywhere. At the same time, you'd be able to upload your files or create folders right here. And these are going to be reflected in the respective cloud drive where you are doing this upload or creating this folder. You can also access all of your local files or anything that is being sent to an attachment, and you can consolidate in the central company repository. So now that you have access to all of these files, now you want to share these files as a single file portal. So for that, the feature that we provide is called data rooms. Let me create a data room over here. So I'm just going to click on this data room button at the bottom left, and I'm going to create a new data room. I already have a bunch of data rooms over here, but I'm just going to create a new data room. Let's name this test data rooms and give it some description, give it some banner. And so now what this data room does is I can pick multiple files and folders, and these files and folders can belong to different cloud drives, or they can come from my local drive, and I can create a single files portal that I can then share with my customers. For example, let me just try adding a few things. So let me select these folders. Let me select a few files. I can also do search over here so I can easily access anything. I can also upload from my local drive. I can also do a few other things. For example, I can create groupings. Let me call this group one. So this makes it easy for my customer to see the file, and then I can drag and drop these into the folders, and I can also customize the way that they are sorted and the way they are looking. So now this data room is ready. I'm going to create a sharing link, and I'm going to add this data room to the contact. So let me do that. And now this is my data room link that that I can share with this contact. Now this is a single link for all the files that belong to this contact. Those files can be anywhere in my cloud drives. I'm just picking and dropping them into a data room to which this link belongs to. All the standard settings such as security settings, download settings, expiry settings, etc. apply on this link as well. Uh, I'm just gonna open this data room and let's see how it shows up. So you see, this is the data room in the dark mode. Let me show this in the light mode, and I can change this description. I can white label all of this URL. So this is basically my single portal. I can have my chatbot over here also, so the customer can chat with me while looking at any of the files. And yeah, this is pretty much it. So this is how you get all of your content that other departments are sharing through various channels into HubSpot, into a single portal, and then you can share it as a single link called Dataroom.